The next generation printer, CL4 and CL6-SXR. With high-speed precision printing, our printers promise uninterrupted operations. Waste-free printing with no initial blank labels, and recycled resin parts power a greener future. A large touch panel provides clearer status visibility and more intuitive operation. Customizable home screen menu streamlines users' operations. Print Preview ensures error-free results. The touch panel displays error messages and troubleshooting guidance. Remote troubleshooting is also available to ensure quick fixes. SATO Online Services has evolved to fully support daily operations and maintenance through IoT. Notifications are sent automatically based on printer usage when thermal head replacement is required. Empowering the future workplace. CL4 and CL6-SXR.